Remember we were doing one, many. I told you one. For example, boy, B-O-Y, boy, one boy. And many will become boys. Omash, which alphabet are we going to add in B-O-Y to make it many? S, very good. We are going to add S to make many. Boy becomes boys. Girl becomes girls. Some children are still joining. Adhiraj, are you there in the class? Hassan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on your camera. All right. So, we were talking about one and many. One boy, B-O-Y, and many boys. One girl, G-I-R-L, many girls, G-I-R-L-S. One toy, T-O-Y, many toys, T-O-Y-S. So I told you when we have to make many out of one, we simply add S. Yes, we did this. Do you remember? Did you revise this? Singular number, plural number. Singular means one, plural means many. Singular means one, plural means many. I had also told you there are some words which end with X, which end with O, which end with double S, which end with H. We put ES in these words to make the many form. Now today we are going to do the words which end in H, X, O, double S. इनमें हम ES लगा के many बनाते हैं. So open to page number 1313 of your books, all of you. Put today's date there. Today's date is 2/6/2021. When you finish writing the date, give me a thumbs up. All right, now put your pencils down and we are going to read this portion. We are going to read this. Put your finger there. We add ES to naming words that end in S, O, double S, X, or CH to show many. For example, the words are given there. Gas, G-A-S. It is ending with S. Now to make the many, we add ES, gases. Right? Then the next word is tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Put your finger there, Hayat. Vaishnavi, Sakina, are you there in the class? Sanvi, are you there? Please make sure your camera is on. I want to see you. Sakina, is the book in front of you?
मैम मेरा कैमरा ऑन है.
अब ऑन हुआ है जब मैम ने आपको कॉल आउट करा है. Vaishnavi, are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now Hassan. can see Hassan joined in two places. Hassan, what happened? There's some network problem. And Christopher,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have also joined with two IDs. Why? All right. Next word, tomato, tomato. To make the many form of it, we add es. That becomes tomatoes. Tomatoes. Next, BOSS, boss. Now to make the many form, we add es. It becomes bosses. Next word, wish.
Excuse me,
WI.
ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
आपकी साउंड प्लीज नहीं आ रही है मुझे। सब बच्चों ने माइक ऑन किया हुआ है।
Only Vaishnavi. Okay, this is Ishanvi. Ishanvi, mute yourself.
ओके मैम।
Astha, why is your mic on? Yes, Astha.
मैम व्हाट पेज नंबर पेज नंबर
Astha, you did not pay attention जब मैम ने पेज नंबर बोला था 1313. You have to pay attention. 1313 page number, English language book. Got it? आस्था, sit straight. पहले तो आप प्रॉपरली टेबल चेयर पे बैठेंगे कल से. रिलैक्स होके बेड पे नहीं बैठना है. All right, and mute yourself. Because when you're sitting on the bed, you tend to relax.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम।
All right, welcome. Vaishnavi, I cannot see you. Are you there in the class?
यस मैम।
Okay. All right, children. The next word is wish. WISH, wish. You all know what is the meaning of wish. जब हम किसी को wish करते हैं बर्थडे के लिए या मॉर्निंग में उठकर मम्मी को गुड मॉर्निंग बोलते हैं, you wish somebody, right? You give your greetings to somebody, and it becomes wishes when we add es. WISHES, wishes. Then the next is fox. FOX, fox. Fox becomes foxes. ES is added. Next, match. Match becomes matches. You know the matches that you all play, the cricket matches and the other matches that you all play. You like to play games. You say, चलो हम लोग आज ये वाला match करेंगे. Okay, and there is another match. किसी दो चीजों को match करना. Like you do match the following in your books, right? किसी चीज को मिलाना and match. There are two match now, right? Now you have an exercise given here. There is an exercise given here where you have to add ES. कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हैं उसमें आपको सिर्फ ES लगा के वो वर्ड्स को कंप्लीट करना है. Now, just now you put your pencils down and listen carefully. Put your pencils down and listen carefully. First word, lunch. When we add ES, it becomes lunches. You all know what is lunch? The second meal of the day. We have it in the afternoon. Yes, give me a thumbs up. Okay. Next word, bus. Next word is BUS, bus. Ronik, when we add ES to the word bus, what will it become? बस में हम ES लगा देंगे तो वो बन जाएगा buses. Okay? BUSES, buses. Now pick your pencil up and write it there, children. All of you write that word, buses. Ishanvi, next word. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O, that is pronounced as potato. When we add es, it will become potatoes. Ishanvi. Ishanvi, can you hear me? Ishanvi, can you hear? All right, Astha. Astha, the next word, potato will become potatoes. Say that word. Switch on your mic and answer, child. Potatoes. Children, write over there the spelling P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S. उस पूरे वर्ड को लिखना है और उसमें es ऐड करना है. Potatoes. Ayat, write, take the pencil and write it straight. When you finish, give me a thumbs up. All right, next word, glass. Wali, glass will become glass. We add es and it will become glasses. Say the word. Glasses, right. Children, write over there G-L-A-S-S-E-S, glasses. जब हम उसमें es लगा देते हैं वो ग्लास बन जाता है glasses. One glass, many glasses. Next word, Aradhya. Next word is dish. Dish means dish. All of you know what is a dish? A bowl जिसमें हम कुछ खाते हैं या कुछ रखते हैं. Right? A dish जिसमें मम्मी आपको snacks दाल मोट देती है खाने के लिए. A little bowl.
Yes.
Okay, a dish. And many will become dishes. Say the word.
Dishes.
Dishes, that's right. So children, please write it over there. D-I-S-H-E-S, dishes. Ronek, write it. Listen carefully to the spelling that I'm calling out. Ayat, are you writing? आयत, मम्मी को बोलिए थोड़ा वहां से शिफ्ट हो जाए. आप इंडिपेंडेंट होके काम करना सीखिए बेटे. ना you're a big girl. All right. You have to listen and you have to write. Good girl. Right. Next word, Hassan. Ash. A-S-H, ash. Say excuse me, Hassan. Hassan. Okay. Ash. A-S-H, ash. Ash का मतलब होता है राख. जो राख होती है ना, उसको हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं ash. जब बहुत ज्यादा ash होती है, then we say ashes. A-S-H-E-S. Hassan, pronounce that word. Ashes.
Ashes.
Ashes, that's right. Now write the spelling there. Wali, are you writing? All right. Arav, you finished? Give me a thumbs up when you finish, children. All right. The next word, buffalo. Buffalo. Ria, buffalo. One buffalo and many buffaloes. Say that word, Ria. Buffaloes. Number 7.
Buffaloes.
Buffaloes. Very good. B-U-F-F-A L-O-E-S. We have to add E-S in all the words. Write it there.
Okay, ma'am.
Next word, Shubh.
Yes, ma'am.
Box. Box will become boxes. When we add es, it becomes boxes. Say the word. Boxes.
Boxes.
Yes. Come on, write it there. B-O-X-E-S. Boxes. Hardik, the next word. Brush. Brushes. That's right. B-R-U-S-H-E-S. Brushes. Very good. Write it there, children. Visual, the next one. Dress. Number 10, visual. Dress will become dresses. Visual, listen to ma'am. ड्रेस में जब हम ES लगा देंगे तो वो वर्ड बन जाता है ड्रेसेस. बोलिए, उस वर्ड को रिपीट करिए. Dresses, that's right. Okay, write it down.
Okay.
After you write 10 words, when you finish writing these 10 words, put your pencils down, all of you. After you finish writing these 10 words, you'll put your pencils down and sit straight. Now the remaining words we will do orally, right? And I'll send you the image. You can complete your work. Put your pencils down and you will answer now. Sit straight. अब समझ में आ गया? ES लगा के नेमिंग वर्ड्स के हम मैनी बनाएंगे. जो वर्ड्स एंड होते हैं S या O या डबल S या SH, X या CH, इन वर्ड से एंड होने वाले जो भी, इन अल्फाबेट से एंड होने वाले जो भी वर्ड्स हैं, उनके आगे हम ES लगाते हैं to make the many form. Now come to number 11. Prashasti, number 11. Bunch. B-U-N-C-H, bunch. You know the meaning of the word bunch?
Bunches.
Okay, it becomes bunches. Bunch means guच्छा. हिंदी में बोलते हैं गुच्छा. You have seen grapes, all of you? All of you have seen grapes, children? Give me a thumbs up. मम्मी जब मार्केट से ग्रेप्स लाती हैं तो देखा है ना, वो पूरा अंगूर का गुच्छा बोलते हैं उसको. यस, अंगूर का गुच्छा बोलते हैं ना. इन इंग्लिश वी से bunch of grapes. Bunch of grapes. And when there are many, then we say bunches. Right? Understood? Bunches. That word is pronounced as bunches. Now see the next word. W-I-T-C-H. Which. Put your pencils down, all of you. जब मैम ने बोला है सुनने के लिए, तो सुनना है. अगर सुनेंगे नहीं तो समझ में कुछ नहीं आएगा. पेंसिल को नीचे रखिए, ध्यान से सुनिए और समझिए. मैंने बोला ना, I will send you the picture. You can complete your work later on neatly. अभी जल्दी जल्दी गंदा काम नहीं करेंगे. पहले सुनेंगे, समझेंगे, फिर करेंगे उसको. Right? So the next word is which. W-I-T-C-H. Does anyone know what is a witch? Okay, Omansh?
Penguin.
Omansh, what is a witch?
Penguin. Witches.
I am talking to Omansh and everybody is answering. Where are your manners? Shivansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you open your mouth and answer? I was talking to Omansh. Please maintain the discipline in the class. Yes, Omansh, what are you saying? A witch? You know what is a witch?
That's woman.
Woman. Okay, a woman but
That woman.
bad, evil woman. Okay, इसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? किसी को पता है? Does anyone know what is it called in Hindi?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Hassan?
Ma'am, चुड़ैल.
Yes, in Hindi you call it चुड़ैल. आपने ये वाला word तो सुना होगा. Yes?
Ma'am, चुड़ैल.
Okay, in English it is called a witch. Have you seen the picture of a witch? Have you seen the picture? In your stories, fairy tales, आपने देखा होगा, but you don't remember. So now you wait. I will show you the picture of a witch. Okay? I'll show you the picture of a witch. I'm sharing the screen and showing it to you. And after which there is one more word. The next word is peach. The next word there is peach. I'll show you the picture of both a witch and also peach. Peach is a fruit. Now look carefully on your screen. Can you see? Can you see the picture of a witch? Omash, can you see the picture? Omash, can you see the picture of a witch that I'm sharing on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, that means everybody can see it. Give me a thumbs up, all of you. All right. And when there are more than one, then we say witches. जब more than one है तो witches हो जाएगा ये. And I'll also yes. There must be some network problem at your end, child, if you cannot see it. There must be some network problem at your end. And the next word is peach. Next word, number 13, is peach. Peach is a fruit. Peach is a fruit. In Hindi, we call this. Does anyone know what is peach called in Hindi? Yes, Anaya?
Adu.
I'm saying Inaya and Vijwal is answering.
Ma'am, adu.
Peach is called Aru in Hindi.
Ma'am, खुदाली.
And all of you have seen what does it look like? Have you seen the picture? Have you seen the picture of peach?
Ma'am, आलू.
Yes, and I hope you have seen the picture. What it looks like. It's a round color fruit. It's a round color fruit which looks red in color from outside, and it is little soft. It is little soft. Okay, so that is peach. Peach becomes peaches.
Ma'am, red and orange.
Yes, it is reddish, oranges, and it's called, when you see many, then it is peaches. When you see many, then it is peaches. I've got the picture here. Let me see if it's going to work. I'll be able to share it with you. I'll show you the picture of peaches also then. There, you can see on the screen, peaches, more than one. More than one. You can see it on the screen, children. Inaya, can you see it on the screen? Inaya, can you see it on the screen, child?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good. So you have seen which, you have seen peach. Now let's move further to the next word, number 14, sandwich. Now sandwich everybody must have eaten and seen also. Yes, give me a thumbs up. Okay, very good. Now all those who are sitting in the class with their cameras on, please switch it on so that I can see your beautiful faces. Sakina, Hardik, Rishita, Ria, Arham, all of you.
Yes,
So,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
yes, I want to see your beautiful faces. Please keep your cameras on. Make sure your cameras are on so that I can
Ma'am,
see you.
the camera on it.
Okay. So the next word, sandwich. Sandwich will become sandwiches. और उसकी स्पेलिंग हम कैसे लिखेंगे? SANDWICHES. You just have to add ES. Hassan, sit straight. Take your pencil. Put it down. Listen first. Next word, ostrich. All of you seen an ostrich bird? You must have seen the picture of an ostrich. Give me a thumbs up. Okay, very good. Ostrich will become ostriches. OSTRICHES. Don't write just now. Listen. Next word, bush. Bush, you know what is the meaning of the word bush? Does anyone know what is the meaning of the word bush? Yes, Ishanvi?
Ma'am, bushes.
Bushes, that's right. But what does bush mean?
Bushes. Ma'am, small grass. Ma'am, small grass.
Small grass. Okay,
Small
and
grass.
bushes जो झाड़ियाँ होती है ना, रोज की कभी कभी होती है, जहाँ पर बहुत ढेर से साथ में सब चीज़ें होती हैं, छोटे छोटे प्लांट्स. देन वी से द बुशेस. बहुत घने होते हैं वो. दोज आर कॉल्ड बुशेस. Right? Now these were some of the words where you did many by adding es. Next exercise is where you have both the type of words. जो नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज है उसमें कुछ वर्ड्स हैं जिसमें आपको सिर्फ एस लगाना है, कुछ वर्ड्स है जिनमें आपको ई एस लगाना है. वो आपको वर्ड को देखना है, सोचना है कि कौन से वर्ड्स हैं. And this you are going to learn. Right over there, learn. This is very important. You have to learn this. Which are the words where you have to put ES? किस अल्फाबेट पे एंड होने वाले वर्ड्स पर आपको ES लगाना है? You have to learn this line that is given here. This line has to be learned, children. Put over there, learn, and today's date. Now, I will be sending you the image of these two exercises. Okay, you will complete these two exercises in the book, and you will also do the definitions of one and many, singular, plural. वो भी हम आपको आज सेंड करेंगे. वो आप इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की कॉपी में करेंगे. ये वाली एक्सरसाइज बुक में करेंगे और डेफिनेशन जो हम सेंड करेंगे दैट यू विल डू इन योर कॉपीज. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? Okay, Shanvi is giving a thumbs up, Inaya is giving a thumbs up. The others I cannot see you all. Your cameras are off for some network problem. Now with that we come to the end of today's classes for the day. All of you join your hands, close your eyes. Get ready for your prayers. Join your hands, all of you. Okay, let me see. Which one? What day is today? विजुअल, आज कौन सा दिन है? Which day today? Wednesday. Okay, very good. So you children, you must remember the day, you must remember the date. That's why I tell you to write the date so that you remember. Right? Now join your hands, close your eyes. Oh God, thank you for this beautiful day you have given to me today. Thank you for lessons and tasks which enlarged our mind and made us able to cope with difficult things come on our way. Thank you for the good values which we will never forget, and forgive us for our misdeeds which we would like to avoid always. This prayer we make for your love's sake. Amen. So good morning and thank you children. Have a nice day. Enjoy your day. Complete your work and prepare for the test tomorrow. Yes, Anaya?
Bye.